Oh, what's up? Hey guys, welcome to Faithfully Bearded. I'm Tyson. This is the Faithful Studios. What do you think? If you are new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe, that like, that thumbs up button. And it's Saturday, and what do we do on Saturdays? We find something from Amazon, and I show you it. We do an international series. We do something just random. Well, today we got something off of Amazon. I ordered this a while back, part of my Amazon series. I don't even remember what's in here or what it is, so we're going to open it up together, take a look at what's here, and then I'll link it down below, so if you guys want to try it for a decent price, I think, if I remember right. I'll put the price in the comments. I don't remember what it is, so that'll all be linked below. So stay tuned for the intro, and then we'll get into it, and I'll show you what's right inside here right after this. Alright, we're back. We're ready to open this. So for all the new people, welcome. This is what we do on the weekends. For all you returning subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate your support. It means the world to me and Maddie and everything that we do. So, thank you guys very much. So I just cut this open, the razor blade, and I'm just going to pull this out. And what do we have here? We have the Gold World Beard Kit. Gold World Beard Kit. So it looks pretty cool. It says there's a beard oil, a beard balm, a beard brush, a beard comb, and scissors in here. We're going to find out. And then there is a Gold World Beard Soap. It says it. This beard soap generates a rich lather, will soften the beard and remove dirt, will feed your beard hair to skin the proper vitamins and nutrients for optimal beard growth. So let's just open this up. Let's give it a snifferoo, and let's see what it smells like. So I'm just cutting this little wrapper off right here. I mean, the packaging looks pretty cool, right? The label looks pretty, or the box, the branding looks pretty neat. It's got blue, black, and silver on there. Got a little bar here. You just take this wrapper off. See if there's a scent profile. I didn't see anything on the package that said anything about a scent, so I'm interested to see what it might be. I smell nothing. So we got the wrapper. I don't smell soap, I don't smell fragrance, I don't smell anything. So let me just clean my nostrils. Maybe I'm smelling my mustache wax. Nope, I smell nothing. So I don't know how the soap's gonna work, but it has no scent, so I guess that's good if you don't like a scenty soap. Alright, so here's this box. We're just gonna cut this open and see what shall be inside. Sometimes I just go around Amazon and I type in beard and I just see what pops up. If I see something for a decent price so that looks cool, I just buy it. But you get this out for the Amazon series because a lot of us are Amazon shoppers, and sometimes you want to get a bundle deal for somebody as a gift. Well, you want to give them something good, and if we're not going to our regular beard companies because maybe we don't want to wait on shipping or we just want to mail it directly to the person's house, who knows what the reasoning is, I still always recommend going back to our normal, small batch companies that we love to support. But sometimes these Amazon finds can uncover something. So you got this slide out box here. Take the cover off. That's all that's there. Then you got this box here. You got some paperwork. And then you got this. So let's just see what this paperwork says. It says Gold World Beard Kit. Gives you directions for the beard oil, for the beard balm, for the brush, the comb, and the scissors. Because you need directions. Alright, so here's the first thing, this beard brush. And it is small. And for comparison, this is like a normal beard brush that I would use. Normal size to me, I would feel like. This is the one that comes with it. So as you can see, quite a bit smaller. And some people might like that smaller one. Like this might be good for travel. Might be good for traveling. I'd say it's more of a medium bristle, medium to soft bristle. Yeah, probably more on the medium. Medium bristle size, so small brush, medium bristle size. This might work good for people that travel or people that want a smaller brush or smaller hands, maybe like shorter beards. The next thing we have is the balm, and it's in this little cardboard package. We're gonna open that up, dump it out, and here you go, nice little tin. I do like the labeling. I'd say the labeling is really awesome. I like their color scheme. I like their label. Again, there's no scent profile. So let's just look at the ingredients, all right? There's a lot. Yellow beeswax, shea butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, argan oil, Simonsia, jojoba seed oil, cedarwood oil, rosemary leaf extract, lavender oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, sweet orange oil. So I guess there's your scents towards the end. So it's yellow. And I just don't smell anything. Like nothing at all. I don't smell the beeswax. I don't smell... It's kind of soft. I mean, it didn't take a lot of pressure or anything to get out. It melts really fast. I smell nothing. Absolutely nothing. No beeswax, no scent. There's just nothing. Like, I don't smell a thing. Like, nothing at all. Nothing. I mean, it kind of feels okay in my hands. It's a little greasy, but not bad. But I don't smell anything. Like, completely nothing. Either that or my sniffer's broken. The next thing we pull out right here, this is going to be the bottle of oil. Again, you got this cardboard box here. It says 100% natural jojoba oil, tea tree oil, aloe vera oil. So here's how their bottle looks. I mean, I really like their bottle design, their wrapper. Their label is nice. They even have a direction how to open this. Just in case you can't figure out how to twist the top off, they let you know. I don't know. I feel like you could save you a little bit of money by not putting that sticker on there. But it's on there tight. So let me grab a tool. Like, it is on here super tight. This is almost embarrassing. Alright, got it. So here's the dropper. Oil's pretty clear. It's one of those blunt droppers that doesn't really come to like a V or anything. So let me just, because I said I haven't smelled anything, let me try this. Smell some coffee, and then we'll... I smell a little bit of something almost like Play-Doh. Yeah, I don't really get much. I get a little Play-Doh scent, and that's it. So, again, a lot of the same ingredients. I don't really smell any fragrance or anything in this. Like, nothing. So it is what it is. Maybe it's a good unscented oil for you to use. I mean, I'll try it out, I guess. Next thing you have is these scissors. So you don't have, like, these things are tiny. Like, maybe for trimming your eyebrows. You know what? I don't even know right now. Here's a wood comb. You got the wide tooth on one side, the small tooth on the other. It's just your standard wood comb. I mean, it seems pretty durable. Nothing. I mean, it's bending a little bit, but I mean, I'm putting a decent amount of force in it. I don't think it's too bad on that. And then you have a little you have a burlap sack, a big burlap sack, like bigger than all these products even need for this. So that's this. Gold World Beard. I don't think I'd recommend this to you guys. I'm going to put it down in the link. I'll put the link in the description below. You can go check it out on Amazon yourself. Check out the pricing and everything. But just by smelling it and seeing how small the brush is and everything, like, I'd save your guys' money. Spend it on one of our Beardo community companies that makes the product and hangs out with us on Instagram and stuff like that. Like, I don't think this is worth it even as a gift. Like, I feel like if you're gifting something like this, you're putting out the wrong impression of what taking care of your beard is like, and what these companies that work really hard to make these stuff by hand, like what they really stand for. So I think this more so probably spreads a bad word for the bearded community than a good one. So I wouldn't recommend this stuff. I'm still going to post this video so you guys can see it, but I don't know that I would try this stuff out. I'll wear it and see how it feels, but it just seems cheaply, quickly made for me. The brush is small, the scissors are garbage. So, alright guys, I hope you all have a great weekend. Again, thank you for everything you do and your support. I love you all. And until I talk to you guys next time, grab your coffee, grab your bang, stroke your man mane, and God bless you all.